Now the question before us is, Monica has a piece of canvas whose total area is 551 square meter. She uses it to have a conical tent made with a base radius of 7 meter. Assuming that all the stitching margins and wastage incurred while cutting amounts to approximately 1 square meter, find the volume of the tent that can be made with it. Suppose this is the piece of canvas which is available. And its total area is 551 square meter. And Monica uses it to make a conical tent. This is the conical tent. Base radius of the tent is 7 meter. This is the radius and this is equal to 7 meter. So when we are using a piece of canvas for making the conical tent, some of the canvas will be wasted towards stitching or wastage of the canvas. So here the wastage or the stitching margins have been given as 1 square meter. So we can say that the curved surface area of the tent. So we write here, area of canvas has been given as 551 square meter. So wastage of canvas towards stitching and cutting is equal to 1 square meter. It means that this is the total area of the canvas and this is the wastage towards cutting and stitching. That is the curved surface. Actually, the canvas who will be covering the tent will be, so the area of canvas used for tent is 551 minus 1, 550 square meter. It means that when we fold a canvas to do stitching, some of the canvas goes inside and the outer area of the canvas which is appears to us is the curved surface area of the tent. That is, whatever goes inside the tent towards stitching is not visible to us. So the curved surface area of the tent is 550 square meter. This is the canvas which was available for making the tent. So now what is the formula of curved surface area? Curved surface area is equal to pi r L. It is 550. Now what is the value of pi? It is 22/7. What is the value of r? R is 7 into L is equal to 550. 7 cut Simon, 22 L is equal to 550. What is the value of slant height? It comes as 25. L is equal, value of slant height is 25 meter. So now we have before us value of R as well as value of L. We know that there is a relationship between slant height, radius and height, and that is shown by the formula L square is equal to R square plus H square. Now we can find out the value of height, that is this one, this area. We can find out the value of this one, height. H square is equal to L square minus R square. Then what is the value of H? It becomes L square minus R square. We will fill in the relevant values. Value of L is 25. What is the value of R? It is 7. So we have find out the value of height. It is 24 meter. Now we have before us the value of radius, value of slant height, and the value of height. Now what is the formula for finding out the volume of tent? Volume of a conical tent is equal to 1 over 3 pi r square h. 1 over 3 r square. What is the value of r? It is 7. 7 into 7. What is the value of h? It is 24. 7 cut 7. 8. What we have? 7 into 8. We will multiply. It is 1232 cubic meter. So we will now wrap up this question. We have now we have find out the answer. We will again explain what is happen. What has happened, that a cloth of that a canvas has been given to us, and for we have to use that canvas for making a conical tent. And while making the conical tent, you understand that some of the canvas is lost towards cutting and wastage, and the cutting or wastage has been also given to us. When we reduce the cutting from the total area, we find out the actual canvas which has been used for making the tent, this curved surface area, because the tent does not have the base, because we have not to spread the canvas on the base of the tent. We have to use the canvas only for making the curved surface area of the conical tent. That is the outer portion we have to cover. So when we reduce this wastage from the total canvas which is available to us, we come to know the actual canvas which has been used for making the tent. This is 550 meter. From that we calculate, we know that the curved surface area is pi rl. From that we can calculate the value of slant height, and we also know that there is a relationship between slant height and radius. From that we can calculate the value of height, and we know that the volume of a conical tent is 1 over 3 pi r square h. And when we have the value of h, we can fill the value of h and arrive at the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.